Hi, welcome to SeekaHost India YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to enable SSH access in cPanel and how to connect those details with PuTTY. Come, let's go into the video. First, log into your cPanel using your login access. After entering into the cPanel, in search tools, search SSH access. After entering into SSH access, there you can see manage SSH keys. Kindly click on the manage option. In that manage option, you can see generate a new key and then import key. So here we are going to create the new key. So kindly click on generate a new key option which is shown there. After clicking the generate a new key, it will show you the option to create the generating a public key. There you can see the key name as ID_RSA. It will be the default one, don't change that. After, kindly enter the key password to generate a public key, or you can use password generator to make your new password. Kindly click on that and copy the password which is shown there. After copying the password, just paste it in your safest place. Next, enable the I have copied the password 2048. After entering these details, kindly click on generate key. It will generate your new key. After generating a new key, kindly click on go back button. Here you can see public keys and then private keys. In public keys, there you can see authorization status as not authorized. So we have to enable the authorize option. In the right side, you can see the actions. Under the action, you can click on the manage button. So there you can click on the authorize button to authorize your SSH access. After authorizing public key, kindly click on go back button. Here your public key and private key both has been authorized successfully. Now we have to download private key to configure with your PuTTY. So kindly click on view and download button under the private key to download your private key option. After entering into private key, you can see convert the ID_RSA key to PPK format. So the PuTTY will support only the PPK format file. Here you have to enter the passpress to unblock the ID_RSA key for conversion. Here, enter the password which you have saved previously to convert the ID_RSA key to PPK format and click on convert. After converting, kindly download the ID_RSA key to connect with your PuTTY to access your website files. After downloading SSH key, kindly open PuTTY software in your laptop or PC. If you don't have PuTTY software, kindly download it from online. After installing the PuTTY, kindly enter the hostname as your domain name. After entering the port value, kindly select the connection type as SSH and in left side you can see the connection option. There you can go with SSH and under the SSH kindly go with authorization and select credentials. After selecting the credentials, you can see public key authentication option. Under the public key, you can see private key file for authentication. There click on the browse button and select the file which you have downloaded. Select the PPK file and click on open. So here you have selected the file which you have downloaded and click on open to login with your PuTTY. After clicking the open, your PuTTY will ask login credentials to log in to your website. It means you have downloaded and configured with proper PPK files. Here you have to enter the username. Kindly copy the username and go to PuTTY and click on right click and enter. Next it will ask passpress for a key to log in to your website. Kindly copy the password which you have stored and go to the PuTTY and click on right click and click enter. It should log into your website. There you can access your website files. I hope in this video you guys have learned how to configure SSH keys and how to connect it to PuTTY. If the video helps you, kindly like, comment and don't forget to share. For more informative videos, kindly subscribe our channel.